Sometimes we try to play video on our Android phone. Let's say, for instance, I go to my file manager right here and I try to head over to a video. Then right here, I click on video. Then I try to play a video right here. And what always come up here is what you have right here, permission required. What we want to do here is to click on cancel. Now, how do we fix this particular problem and start play any video on our Redmi Android phone? Let me show you how. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your settings. So I'm going to click on here to go back. And I'll head over to my settings right here. Click on settings. The next thing you need to do right here is to make sure you scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to security and privacy, app security, device lock and permission. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to privacy right here. Click on privacy and it's going to take you right here. And next thing you need to do is to head over to your permission manager. Click on permission manager right here. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to photos and video. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here, photos and video. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down, and then here we go. You have MI videos. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on always allow all. Once you select always allow all, click on back. Then it's going to disappear from not allow and it moves to allow section, just like what you see right here. Now, next thing we want to do now is to go ahead and play a video from our file manager. So I'm going to click on here now and head over to my video section right here. So I'm going to refresh. Now we have the preview of all our video right here. Next thing we want to do here is to play a video. Let's say, for instance, I want to play this particular video right here. I'll click on the video and you can see right here, the video started to play. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Redmi Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.